Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we're going to unbox the Chromecast 2. Basically it doesn't say 2 anywhere, but this is the second version. Now the previous version, what's the difference is the previous version did not have a wire. It was dongle itself, so it used to go behind the TV wherever your HDMI port is, but it had problems that it does not fit everywhere and all these problems. There is a third version which has also come out, which is a better version than this, which is much more expensive. Now this is for 3,300 something. Some places you can get it for 2,600. I got it for 2,600. If you want to know how to get that, do message me and I'll let you know. So what all can this do? This can play YouTube, lot of basically this is an Android device. So basically you're making your TV into a smart Android TV. So it's got Google Play, Netflix, Savan, Ditto, Euros, and a lot of other things which are not listed here because when it was packed, those things were not there. But right now there are too many things to even count. So what can it do? It can play music. It can you can watch movies on it. You have gaming, you have sports, you have all these things. It's a direct competition with the Fire TV stick, which I already have. So I'm creating two separate architecture, two TVs, two separate architecture. One will have and the Google Chromecast connected with the Google speaker, and then one will have the Alexa connected with the Fire TV stick. So I'll be comparing both of them to see what is better on what, because there are a lot of there's a big rivalry going on between both of them. So some things which are there in one is not available in the other one. So I'll be showing you all that in my later videos. So in case you are interested in home automation and broadcasting and using your phones to see things on the TV, then go ahead and wait for those videos. So let's go ahead and open it. So to open it up, basically you have this seal. Let me open this from here. That's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's done. Oh, sorry. So it was supposed to be opened like this. Okay, like this, and there's the Chromecast. Okay, weird packaging. It just opened up like that. Okay, so that's the Chromecast. So as soon as you open it up, it'll come out like this. That's it. Oh, it's magnetic. Okay, let's keep that aside. We'll look at that later on. Nothing else in this. It's just a box, and then you have a wall charger. Now good thing is this one is detachable, so the USB cable can be taken out. Let's keep that aside. Okay, nothing else. So over here it says get started, so plug it into the HDMI port and plug it into the wall charger. So basically what you'll have to do is take this, put it in here, that gives it the power, and then plug this into the TV's HDMI port. So that's all that you have to do. After that, everything is set up on your phone. So you'll need an Android phone or Chrome installed on whichever device. So I don't know if it works with iOS properly, but we'll see that later on. So you have to install the app and then start using it. Now I will be doing that later on. I will install the app, see how it works, and then we will talk about it furthermore. Okay, so let's see what all does the box say. So basically it says you can stream HD video 180p. So it's not 4K, it's only HD 180p videos. Surround sound, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz wireless Wi-Fi antenna. Screen mirroring from Android and laptops. So this has a big exclamation mark. I'll talk about that later on in my further videos. Android devices, iPhones, iPad, Mac, Windows, and Chromebook. So it supports all of them. So the casting icon. Okay, so we'll talk about all that later on. So that's it that you get with this. Let's take a look at the device itself. Now this is shiny plastic in front. It looks like a button, but it's not. There are no buttons in the front. There are no buttons at the back. The only button that you have is over here. You just press that. That's it. Other than that, there are no buttons. You have a micro USB port here, and you have a small LED indicator over here. Other than that, nothing else. Then you have your HDMI cable over here. So that's the HDMI port. Now one thing is, if anything happens to this wire, then it's gone. I don't know how strong this wire is going to be, but hopefully nothing happens to it. Let's look at the charger itself. What's the voltage? Now since it's a small device, it will not be a higher ampere. Okay, so the output is 5 volt, just 1.0, so 1 amp. So this is not a fast charger or any of those kind of things, like how the Google speaker has a charger which has a higher capacity. This is a regular normal charger which is not a fast charger, because the device itself is so small, it does not need much of power. So that's it. Nothing else about this. Basically what you get is a cable, power adapter, and a Google Chromecast device. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.